July, and that means strawberry shortcake. We have all these ingredients that I'm going to use. The first thing that it's important to do is cut up your strawberries. That's probably obvious, but just in by way of explanation, I thought I'd tell you the reason for this is that they can soak in their juices and in the sugary goodness juices the whole time you're making your shortcake. That's all. Yo guys, check this out. Oh yeah. Quadruple slice. I got this orange on a business trip 2 weeks ago to Louisville in the hotel breakfast area. And I don't really like eating oranges, so we're gonna squeeze this over the strawberries because orange and strawberry go really well together. We're also gonna sprinkle some sugar on there so they can soak up in all these delicious juices. Yep, just like that. And I'm gonna like toss them around and then they're gonna marinate. In real life, guys, I just hate following directions. That's why I cook with feelings. This is like 2 cups of flour. So I didn't have baking powder. It said you could substitute some baking soda, but then you also have to add lemon juice. So I'm gonna add some lemon juice a bit to like make up. Then some salt. I ground up some orange peel, some dried orange peel. So we're gonna add that in for kicks and giggles. We're gonna add in some sugar. And I'm gonna like put in some butter and like cut it in. And then I'm gonna add some yogurt and some cream. Basically, I'm just using up the rest of everything I have because that's what I do. And then I'm gonna put in this egg. Oh yeah, one hand. Smoosh that up. I guess I'll just, I don't know. We'll figure this out. I'll add that to this. There we go. That seems real. Let's see. I guess I could add some, no, not that. Aha! Add some vanilla in there too. Oh wait, no, that's almond. Oops, that's okay. Then we're gonna add this in. Then we're gonna add this egg in. Whip it all up. Make it down and dirty. Make sure my butter's mixed in. Alright, that looks like biscuit dough to me. Let it rest, roll it out, cut it into circles. Now I don't want to come across like I don't like baking, but I really don't like baking. I mean, I'm not good at it, and it's not that fun. This is a video about how I really feel about it. Roll out my biscuit dough. I'm just gonna use this glass because I don't own a rolling pin. Now, the good thing is, because I have this glass, I can just, cut out my biscuits. Cooking with feelings, not baking with feelings. Happy 4th of July! You know, guys, it's just kind of dawned on me that a better name for this episode wouldn't be cooking with feelings, it'd be cooking with PMS. Cooking while it's hot in your apartment. It's 80. Turned off the AC to film this. Oven's on at 400. Just poured this cream in here. It's looking real gloopy. That ain't normal. What the heck? Smells fine. Those biscuits smell good though, surprisingly. They look like a crap show. So now I'm gonna whip this cream and just your average way. Oh, that's awesome. I didn't know it extended that much. Yep, just whip it up. When the cream is kind of frothy, we're gonna add in some of this vanilla sugar and some just plain old vanilla. And just beat the crap out of it some more. Then you have to lick the beaters. Guys, a legit miracle happened, and I think these turned out okay, right? Oh, they look okay. You might notice it's smoky in here. So I burnt one of them on the bottom. I mean, the other ones are burnt too, but just less so. Which means I can try it out. Burnt. Exquisite. Delightful. Strawberry shortcake. Yay! Now I gotta take this home to a barbecue. Bye.